ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Down to Earth Fishing Channel. My name is Fan Train, and today is a very exciting day. Today is the first day that I'm going to take my jet ski out to the offshore. We are heading out to Virginia Beach, and I'm going to head straight 15 mile offshore to the Chesapeake Lake Tower. Wishing myself a really lucky day and a safe day in the water. Alright, I see you guys out there. Alright guys, so we made it to the water. It's still going to be another 15 miles out, 15 miles of riding to the fishing spot, which is the light tower. So far the weatherman didn't lie. It's really nice, flat, beautiful out here. It's a surprisingly beautiful day out here. Woo! We are here. I do see some activity, so I'm going to drop some squid down there. I got first drop of the day. It's around 70 feet deep right here. I got a bite ready. Oh, that was a nipple. Alright, first fish of the day, black sea bass. Tiny little. So for black sea bass, it's supposed to be 12.5 inches, I think. This one is way too small. I'm gonna drop it back in the water. See that? Back in the water. At least they here. They just little. Hopefully I got some keeper. Hooked up. Let's see what I got. It feels pretty good though. Bass, hopefully a keeper. Yep, I was right. But small. You can see black sea bass. Too small to keep though. This beautiful fish, they good eating. See? Fish on, baby! Probably another small sea bass. But hey, fish is fish. At least I'm catching. Yep. Sea bass. They get a little bigger. Yeah. back in the water. Not sure what I hooked up to. Probably a small sea bass again. Man, let's hope I can catch a keeper. Babies. Man, no keeper yet. It's all about the patience. So let's see. I think this is it. It's a keeper. Finally, hopefully. Okay. Let's see, let's see. Let's see. Yep. Going home. Just going home. Hooked up. Not sure what it is. It feel like, but it's digging down like crazy. Probably. Oh, you. Oh, oh, oh! Might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. Might be a keeper. All right, let's see. Let's see. Might be a keeper or not. Might be a keeper, y'all. Might be the second keeper of the day. It's a keeper. You guys would not believe this. I'm so sorry that the batteries go out. But while the battery was out, I caught me a very unexpected fish. Holy cow. I caught me this suckers. It's a triggerfish. A triggerfish, y'all. On the 3/0 circle hooks. Who would have thought? The one thing I'm not sure if they're in season or not, so I'm gonna pull up to a boat and ask them if they're in season. I don't get no service today, so I couldn't really look it up. So hopefully I'm gonna pull up really fast, and if it's not in season, I'm gonna release it as fast as I could, okay? Hi there. Yeah. You mind if I ask you questions? Is triggerfish, are they in season right now? Yeah. Make me feel better. Alright, y'all. So I'm calling it a day. I had quite a bit. I think I caught a few black sea bass, and I got me a triggerfish. I'm keeping it alive right now in the well, and we're gonna head back in. I see you guys in the kitchen, okay? So y'all, this is the today price. All right, I got me 4 black sea bass and a triggerfish. Yeah. Well, they all taste great, but I'm going to prepare the triggerfish for today's video. We're going to make a grill triggerfish, the Vietnamese style. But first I need to clean it. Alright, so this is my first time ever trying to clean a triggerfish. Apparently I looked it up online, and what we're gonna try to do is to skin it, okay? We're not gonna try to cut out the fillets, just trying to get under the skin. But what I see people do, they cut the top section of the fish up, and then they go along the skin and the meat to separate the skin and the meat. So that's what I'm going to try to do first. Okay, so first thing I'm going to try to cut this part. off to open up the back. There you go. Now, try to separate the skin and the meat. Pretty good, probably. Alright, so I opened the bottom as well. It will make it much easier. There you go. Consider it's my first time, it's not too bad, huh? I gotta say, I love my Deva. This thing is so thick and so strong, I can cut through the bone just like that. Isn't that crazy? Man, it's not easy at all, but it's gonna be worth it. I know it will, but I know they're tasty. There you go. Oh man. Look at this guy. Okay. Now we go on the other side.
There goes.
That little fin right here is what holding the skin from getting peeled off. So I guess I missed that part. I'm gonna have to chop it off, right? So. Now, shouldn't be hard to pull this off at all. Honestly, I don't want to look like I don't know what I'm doing, but I really don't, because this is my first time skinning this fish. But look at this. We're gonna grill the whole thing, but we're gonna have to clean this belly out too because the gut is still inside. So, oh my god.
No, don't do that. Look like
Oh wow.
Hannibal Lecter.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so it looks like there's some sort of a bone right here. So I kind of want to cut through that to get access to the belly. Probably want to chop that off too. Giant bone right there. Here is the gut. Ooh, it stinks. The pocket, the belly pocket go really deep. Look, it goes super deep in there. And the majority of his gut looks like liver to me. Yeah. Oh, massive, yep, massive liver. Oh.
It's not pretty. Maybe we should record this.
It's not supposed to be pretty anyway. All right, so that's it. Ooh, what is that? All nice and clean. All right, so we're going to clean this up a little bit, and we're going to marinate it, and we're going to come back and put it on the grill, okay? Okay, so if you remember, this was the fish that I skinned. It's already clean. So all we have to do in this fish is we just kind of make a cut, what do you call it, scorching, just to cut through it. That way we can marinate the fish and it will soak all the way in through the meat. So basically it's just a crisp cut like this, deep into the meat. Just like that. We do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the fish. This is some chicken bouillons, fish sauce, a little bit of MSG, sugars. Over here we have annatto powder, mint, lemongrass, shallots, garlic, and red chili pepper. So we're going ahead and chops everything up and mince it out and mix them all together over here. And Diana is preparing for the decoration. Look at all the fancy cuts. Right, so here's the just a little bit of veggie oil. When they get heat up, I am going to put the minced ingredients in there and mix it up. And these are going to be used to marinate the fish, okay? Man, it smells so good. Can you smell it? Huh? Can you smell it? Just gonna keep mixing it up so everything gonna get a little bit of that burn flavors in it, just a little bit. You don't want to overly burn it. Once it is good enough, you want to add a little bit of waters in there. Okay, so just want to add a little bit of waters in it. Just a little bit of water. Mix them up. So now, you want to put the rest of the ingredient that I showed earlier into it. Fish sauce, right? MSG, chicken bouillons, and some sugars. Mix it all up. Make sure they all mix well in here. You want the sauce to simmer down a little bit to get a little bit of viscosity in it. You don't want it too runny, but then you don't want to dry it out either. So keep stirring it. Make sure I get all of the ingredient on the side of it. I'm not wasting anything. Oh, come on. It smells really strong. It smells so good. Okay, just like this. Now you turn off the heat. And that is our marinating sauce, y'all. Here I have the fish. Here I have the sauce. You know what's next. We're gonna rub it on. Get a good amount of it. Coat the fish. Coat it as thick as you can. Make sure to get into these grids that we cut through earlier. Okay. We're gonna do this on both sides and make sure you get the inside of the belly cavity too. Get a lot of it in there. Do the same thing. Coat it. Okay. Okay. So now the fish is fully marinated. We're gonna go ahead and let it soak for a little bit and go ahead and fire up the grill. Okay. Ooh, some of these. Pull the grill out. Didn't do it last time. You can see the damage it does to the shield. It melted. It melted. Just this 3 sides over here. Okay. We'll let it heat up. We just went out to buy this just for today's video. I'm sure we can use it for more stuff, but today's videos. So, you're gonna stick onto this, so you wanna spray it down with some Pam. Okay, take it over here so I don't make a mess. Spray it really good, coat it really good with some Pam, so the fish won't stick onto it. Now, you take the fish, put it on it. It looks so good. Close it. And lock it in place. Yeah, just like that. Okay, so here we're gonna carry the leftover sauce and the fish out there to the grill. I'll put the sauce over here and the grill over here. Okay. Bring it up. Fire's still on, that's good. I'll put the fish in here. We're not gonna close the lid, y'all. We're gonna grill it like this. Okay? And while you're grilling it, the fish, as the fish getting dried out, you wanna keep applying the sauce over it so it won't get dried out. I'm gonna grill that side for about set 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. Right now, it's at 12:46, so at 12:56 we're gonna flip. So it is 12:56 right now. It has been 10 minutes. You're gonna flip the fish over. Ooh. We're gonna try to move the fish back in the middle. Okay. Close it again. Ooh, this thing's hot. Oh, snap. Okay, put it back over here. As you can see, fish is a little bit dried out. But you see the burn mark? That's what you want. Okay. Now, I'm gonna apply the leftover sauce on the fish. Okay. So now that it has been 10 minutes on that side as well, we're gonna flip it. I'll be careful this time not to mess it up. Apply the sauce over it, just like I did on the other side. We weren't wasting anything. Okay. Okay, just like that for about a minute. Now I'm flipping it back over about a minute so the sauce can get cooked and soaked inside the fish, but it doesn't dry it out completely because the fish at this point is already cooked. All right, so now the fish is good to go. You can see it's on both sides, looking good. I'll take it inside. Make sure we turn off the fire, let it cool down. Here we go. All of these is always have to know what I'm up to, okay? Alright. You want to take the fish out. Try to be very careful. Guys, I'm getting too excited. Look at that, man. To place it. There's nothing fancy here, it's just some banana leaves. Just for decoration purposes. Oh no. Look. I missed some meat. But anyway, I'll try it later. Now, one more thing. Okay, so for the dipping sauce, we are going to use a it's called the Healthy Boy brand seafood dipping sauce. It is green chili and lime sauce. Just like that. Here we have our dipping sauce. And this is the complete plate.
Oh yeah.
This is a complete plate. We do eat them with some white rice, but you don't have to. Okay. So Diana gonna do the taste testing. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
It's like super white. Meat is.
Yeah.
So there's like, oh no.
Yeah, it's very white meat. Kind of flaky too.
Mm-hmm.
It's not dry, right?
No. It's not dry.
Okay, hold your chopstick there. Just let me. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, that good. Okay, try that.
It's really good, and it's not a very fatty meat either.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm pretty sure when you try the cheek part, that's when it kind of get fatty too.
This
Pick
part?
out the cheek part. Yeah, right there. Yep.
Yeah, this cuts in a lot easier.
Let's see. Yeah, it look a lot fatter right there. It's a little bit oily.
Like the body's more flaky. For sure.
And much better, right?
Yes.
I knew the chick part is gonna be a good piece. So here, Sprite. My turn of tasting it. You get the fish, you dip it into the sauce, put in your white rice. So good. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that you guys stick to the end and watch through the entire video. Please, if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you guys in the next adventure. Okay? Bye.